Do you like? No. Do you like to playing the? No. Hello. No.
3B, City of Naga versus CFC Academy Red. City of Naga versus CFC Academy Red. Informal ang report, 3B.
No.
Informal lang na. Next game, Pitch 4B, City of Naga versus Cebu United UA. Pitch 4B, Mixed A, Group B, City of Naga versus Cebu United UA. Mixed A.
Wala.
Win, Derby, mana? Kaway, kaway.
We would like to thank our third shop, Thirsty, Raymond Revillas, Orange Brutus, and our other sponsors, we have Filipino, Madam's Cafe, Modave Transportation, Nature Spring, Parties with Shine, Pepsi, Soy, The Pay, and your suporta. This event is possible to
Next game, pitch number 1, Mixed 12, Group B, Clásico de San Carlos Team A versus Sports Gen International. Next game, pitch number 1, Mixed 12, Group B, Clásico de San Carlos Team A versus Sports Gen International. Next game, pitch number 2, Group D, Mixed 12, Second High School Ihas de Jesus versus Guardian Striker. Next game, pitch Second High School Ihas de Jesus versus Guardian Striker. Next game, Pitch 3A, Big 6, Group A, Piluan. Next game, Pitch 3B, Mix 6, Group B, Ateneo de Cebu versus Sugbo Calidad Team C. Ateneo de Cebu versus Sugbo Calidad United versus Sugbo Calidad Team A. Canduman United versus Sugbo Calidad Team A. Game 4B, Group B, Mix A. Santa Ana de San Carlos versus Sugbo Calidad Team B. Marshall, please prepare for the next game, Marshals. Marshals, Paniago Marshals, 3B. Ateneo de Cebu versus Sugbo Calidad Team C. Mix.
Halo.